Hey Sarah, do you want to grab a coffee before work today?
Yes, I was hoping you'd ask. I didn't sleep well last night. I really need caffeine.
Same here. There's that new cafe on the corner, Brew and Bloom. Want to try it?
Yes, I walked past it yesterday. It looked really cozy.
All right, let's head over. We still have 30 minutes before our meeting starts.
Oh wow, it's cute. Look at those plants in the window.
Yeah, very Instagram worthy. Let's go in.
Good morning. Welcome to Brew and Bloom. Just the two of you today?
Yes, just us. Is it okay if we look at the menu first?
Of course. The menu's on the wall, and there are small ones on the counter, too. Take your time.
Thanks.
So many choices.
Right? Let's see. Espresso, cappuccino, latte, flat white, Americano. What's the difference again? I always forget.
I usually just go for a latte. It's safe.
I'm thinking cappuccino. But wait, maybe I'll try something new. What's a flat white again?
I think it's like a latte, but with less milk and more coffee.
That sounds strong.
Ready to order? Yes. What do you recommend if I want something not too sweet but still creamy?
In that case, I'd say a cappuccino or a flat white, or we have a honey oat latte that's slightly sweet, very smooth.
That sounds interesting. I'll try the honey oat latte, please.
Great choice. What size?
Just a small one, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Oh, and can I get that in a to-go cup?
Sure.
Small hot honey oat latte in a to-go cup. Anything else?
Oh, do you have any snacks or pastries?
Yes, we have croissants, muffins, banana bread, and some cookies.
I'll take a chocolate chip muffin too, please.
Got it. And for you?
Hi, I'll have a medium iced caramel latte, but can you make it with skim milk?
Absolutely. Medium iced caramel latte with skim milk. Would you like whipped cream on top?
No, thank you. And could you make it less sweet?
Sure. I'll use half the caramel syrup.
Perfect.
Anything else for you?
Do you have any dairy-free cookies?
Yes, we have vegan oatmeal raisin cookies.
Ooh, I'll take one of those.
All right. So that's one small hot honey oat latte in a to-go cup, one chocolate chip muffin, one medium iced caramel latte with skim milk and less syrup, and one vegan oatmeal raisin cookie.
Yes, that's correct.
Great. That will be $13.50 altogether.
I'll pay. No, let me get it. I invited you. But I owe you from last time. All right, how about we split it? Deal.
You can tap your card right here when you're ready. All done. Thank you.
Your drinks will be ready shortly. You can wait over there by the pickup counter.
Cool, thanks again. This place is so cute. I love the plants. Me too, and it smells amazing in here. Fresh coffee and baked goods, can't beat that. It's got a nice vibe. Not too loud, not too quiet. Perfect for working or just catching up.
Honey oat latte and muffin for Lena. That's me. Be right back. Here you go, your cookie.
Yay, thank you. I think I see mine coming. Iced caramel latte for Sarah. Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Will do.
All right, taste test time.
Wow, this is good. Light, sweet, but not too much. I love it.
Let me try mine.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. You can really taste the honey. That muffin looks good too.
Want a bite?
Don't tempt me. I'll steal the whole thing. Okay. So, how was your morning?
Honestly, a bit stressful. My alarm didn't go off. I had to rush everything.
Oh no, I hate mornings like that.
Yeah, but this coffee helps, and talking to you helps even more.
Same here. I'm glad we came.
We should make this our Monday tradition. Start the week with coffee and conversation.
Yes, I love that idea.
I should get going. Our meeting starts in 10 minutes. Let's grab napkins for the road. Good idea. Excuse me, can I get a lid for my cup?
Of course, right here.
Thanks. Oh, and could I get a straw?
Sure thing. Paper or reusable?
Paper is fine. Thanks.
No problem. Have a great day, both of you.
Thanks for everything. See you again soon.
Okay, that was perfect. Let's come back next week.
Definitely. Maybe next time I'll try that cinnamon mocha.
Or the cold brew with vanilla foam?
We've got options. All right, let's go crush this meeting. Let's do it.
Great job listening. Now let's check your understanding with a short quiz. Listen to each question and choose the best answer. Question 1. What drink did Lena order? A. Medium caramel latte. B. Small honey oat latte. C. Iced vanilla cold brew. Correct answer, B. Question 2. What special request did Sarah make? A. She asked for no ice. B. She asked for whipped cream. C. She asked for skim milk and less syrup. Correct answer, C. Question 3. Who paid for the order? A. Sarah paid for everything. B. They decided to split the bill. C. The cafe gave it for free. Correct answer, B. Well done! You're getting better at real-life English every day. Keep practicing and see you next time.